Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Intisar, Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am back with a unit from Ashimary Hair. Okay, so we are back with the unit from Ashimary Hair. I'm loving the Tiffany blue colors this season. Very, very hot. We're coming through with a Kinky straight, okay? This is a 13x6 full lace straight natural wig, okay? This unit has the transparent Kinky lace. Let me show you all. Okay, get into it. Very, very big and beautiful 13x6. Okay, already pre-plucked for your pleasures, okay? She is Kinky straight and 24 inches of love, sex, and magic. Okay, so at 24 inches, and I believe it's 180% density, this unit is currently going for $379. Rather expensive, but off the bat, the hair doesn't smell. She's very soft to the touch. We know how Kinky straight units can sometimes give rough and tough with your afro puff, but more like rough, not like rough. You picking up what I'm putting down? So this unit is really, really beautiful. I'm going to, let me get into the details really quick. So again, we have a 13x6 lace frontal, okay? She comes with an adjustable band. There are no combs, which is different for me because I'm a comb girl. I love wearing combs. She has lace in the back as well as an adjustable strap, will kind of forever. So I'm just going to throw her on. Let's see what she's working with really quick. Okay. The lace is a little bright, okay, which is fine. You should color your lace any damn way. But this is what the unit is looking like fresh out, okay? Might have to cut some lace off. I'm thinking about doing a half up, half down. But we need to glue her down. We got to get her all the way together. I'm going to color the inside of this lace, okay, because she needs it desperately. I'm going to shut my Mammy Tape mouth. We're going to see you on the other side. All right, my loves, we already know a unit of this caliber is going to come with some gifts. So Ashimary Hair sent over a ton of goodies in this box, okay, including some press-on nails. We got some wig caps, our edge band. We got the lashes, baby. We even got a robe, okay? They really took care of us for this unit. And the truth is, for the price, they want to make sure that you have a super luxurious experience. So this unit is 24 inches. She is the 13x6 full lace frontal. I have her in 180% density. And she's currently going for $379.08, okay? Do not be alarmed by the price of this unit because let me tell you something. This one, they really did pay attention to the quality as well as what you get. So that really does matter when you're choosing a unit of this price point, that you make sure that you're getting your money's worth. And I think that you absolutely would here. Now, this unit is 100% virgin hair, okay? They say from one donor. And honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, that makes a difference. This unit's hair texture was absolutely stunning. I was really impressed with how the unit felt. The texture of this hair is really beautiful, and it does very much mimic human hair, specifically of the 4AB texture. And I love that. So it is a natural black. It is a Kinky straight wig. This unit is pre-plucked as a pre-plucked hairline, which we love. And it also has this thinner, soft, transparent HD lace. And let me tell you, baby, it makes a difference. Okay, when you are laying these units down and it has a better lace, you can tell. When the lace is thicker than a Snicker, you can tell. I don't care what nobody says, it makes a difference. So once you kind of like push this in, I use my Janet Isha spray, which I absolutely love. It keeps the wig staying on your Mammy Tat and head all all day long. Okay, do you hear me? All day long. I literally am pushing the lace into the spray, and look at how stunning it looks already. Like, she is coming together already, and you're getting really nice pieces of the lace. But we want to make sure mother is laid down. So I'm going to throw my hair up into a ponytail and get this mother jumper together. So as we're going through, I've already decided what style I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my time and do a half up, half down style. I like to go through and blow dry this unit all the way through, because I feel like it makes a difference when you have like that kinky texture if you try to get it as flat and straight as possible, because otherwise you get this big beautiful coif, and that's not necessarily what I'm leaning towards right now. Right now I really want to get into wand curling this unit right on up. I'm going to use my Babyliss wand curlers to curl her all the way up. Okay, I'm just going through. I like to run through with my Andy straightening comb first, and then I use my Babyliss wine curlers on the second half of this, and that's just going to make sure that from the root to the tip, mother is curled. Okay, she is spicy and hot, and we can get that curl the way that we want it. So I'm going to repeat this process of curling this unit up using my Babyliss wand curlers throughout. I'm just going to curl her up, okay, spray her down with my spritz, and then I'm just going to go in with my flexi rods and rod mother on up. I know I don't have to like let you can see it. You can see it, boo. So I'm just going to repeat that process all the way up the head, and then I'm going to get into styling her down. Now that we've kind of let the unit sit for a bit, I'm just going to go on through and take out the wand curlers that I put in. So I love me some flexi rods, guys. I'm going to leave the link for the flexi rods below on my Amazon shop. They are everything. And if you're looking for an easy style, even with no heat, I chose to use heat this time, but even with no heat, flexi rods are the way to go. So I'm just snatching this off so you guys can take a look at this memorable lace. And then we're going to go on through and just remove the flexi rod. So So for me, this style was actually relatively easy because most of the work was done kind of putting the curls in the unit. So I'm just going on through and parting out two even sections in the front of the unit. One section that'll be for bangs, the second section that'll be for where we twist the hair. So I'm just doing old school early 2000s, is that 2000s? Early 2000s twists, okay? And I'm using my bobby pin to secure it. If you have like a small elastic band, that'll work as well. But I'm really just trying to define and show you all the lace too. I want to make sure you guys get into how versatile this unit is. The lace on this wig is stank and nasty, okay? We owe this hoe money, okay? She is filthy. and I love to see it. So I'm just going on through. I've already twisted the second side. As you can see, we have this clear delineation in the parting space of the lace, which is beautiful. And I'm going to use my tie just to kind of secure this at the top to make sure she is really giving what she is supposed to give. And honestly, boom, pow, ing, ing, that's it, okay? I'm just going to flatten out the front, and that's only because I really want you guys to see the lace. That's why I'm pushing this hair away from my face and around my ear. I'm securing it with a bobby pin because not only do I want to give face, eyes, nose, lips, I want to give lace. I want it to give lingerie. Okay, are you picking up what I'm putting down? So I'm going to shut my Mimi Tat mouth because I think I'm just about done with this style. And I'm going to see you beautiful babies on the other side. We are all done. I did this unit by Ashimary hair. I'm going to turn around. Okay. This unit is 24 inches. She's a 13 by 6 transparent lace frontal unit. Okay, she got the lace throughout. I'm just going through and darken up the middle part really, really quick. I use a little bit of a liquid right here because I can see where my cap wants to be the star of the show. If you're picking up her butt, I'm putting down. There you go. Yeah, she does. So this unit is going for about $400, just under $400, about around $379 on Ashimary hair. So let's talk about it. So here are my thoughts. One, the style is styling. Okay, the lace is laced. Okay, she's laced. For your styling grace, allow me to these lyrical dishes in your bushes. Okay, she's giving all of that. That's number one. The lace is lacing. The style looks beautiful. I don't know where I got this style from. Don't ask me. I pulled it out my behind. I'm certain I saw something that inspired me or influenced me, but in truth, I pulled her out of my behind. It was going one way, and then she went the way she said she wanted to go. Okay? You picking up what I'm about to do? Okay, let's talk about the unit and the hair. The hair feels really, really nice. Okay, so if I were to rate the hair 1 through 10, the texture of the hair, I would give how soft and nice she is. I would give her an 8. Okay, the way that she took a curl, I would give her a 6. But if I'm being honest, when I'm doing kinky curly units, I find that it's really hard for them to hold a curl. And I'm a curl queen. One thing I can do is curl some hair up. Unless I pin it, typically the curls fall. Or if I use a lot of product. And for this, I didn't because the hair is so nice. I didn't want to jack it up by using a lot of product. That's my truth. Now, the way that she was easily stylable, 10. Lace, 10. 10! She is very big hair friendly, guys. So that's really good. I had to cut off a lot of lace at the ear because I got a small head. But honestly, it really does accommodate for those who may not. I love that. You know what I mean? Like, you do need to customize your unit from time to time. We had to do it, so be it. Do I think this unit is beginner friendly? No. Honestly, this is the unit that you invest in, you take to your hairdresser, and you have her lay that mother jumper down. Because this is a good wig. This is a good wig, guys. Like, through and through. It's a good wig. I can't even BS you. I really do love this unit. Even like, bull swanky. I think this is a really good unit. I think this unit looks really, really good. I love, honestly, the technical aspects of this unit are chef's kiss. It's, to me, is that not even wear and go. This is not supposed to be that, so I'm not even going to mention that. But that easy breeziness, this is a unit you style. You get married, you buy this unit. You take it to your hairdresser, you take it to your, whatever the girls that's going to help you get ready for the day, and let her curl this mother jumper up, because she's cute. Okay? And you can really style her a ton of ways because she is a 13 by 6. She really will go with you some places, and I do like that about her. You know what I mean? I just think for my girlies, This is for special occasions. I do. I know my girls. And y'all tell me, y'all know who y'all are. I think this is for special occasions. I'm not going to say I don't. I like this unit because I am capable of styling a unit down. I love quality, and that's what this is. This is quality. And if in 2024 you're saying you're done with fast fashion, the fast this, the fast that, this is what you would be investing in. This will be the look that you're going for. But if you're just like a girly who's just looking for a good time, this is more marriage. This is not a one-night stand. This is we getting married and you're going to have me for a little bit, okay? She did not shed. She only tangled because of the way I was combing her out. The truth is she did not tangle at all. She's the one and not the two. I'm actually very impressed with this unit. I just think that if I'm being honest about what I think the girlies would like, I don't know. I think that the price point is a little high. I think the price point is a little bit high. But in truth, look at this. Did the girls not do the thing? Did the girls not do the thing? Is the thing not done? It looks cooked. Well done. To me. Okay? I'm your girl, Intisar, Eleanor. I love Ashimary hair. I think that they are a phenomenal brand. They always come with quality stuff. Check them out. If this is your price point, if you are looking to invest in the new year in a unit, you have to check out Ashimary here because they are giving it to the girls. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye!